Hello, tutorial shows you how to fix the file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect. I am trying to run the game setup file, but an error appears. The file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect. Okay, let's fix it. As you see, the file name is okay. But if we look at the directory name, there are some symbols, and also there are Russian letters. So, let's try to delete symbols and Russian word from the directory name. We just need to change the folder name, and write in English, guessing that folder name is written in an unsupported language. Looks normal. Let's try to run the game setup file now. As you see, now the installation file is running normally. There is just unsupported language, so that needs another fix. So, we have successfully fixed the file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect. Thanks for watching. If that sounds like something that could help you, then make sure to join me, subscribe to my channel with notification, and be the first who get more great tips and tricks.